Welcome to this detailed guide on adding a right sidebar to the WordPress 2025 theme. In this tutorial you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard, make use of the editing tools available, and seamlessly integrate a sidebar into your website layout. To begin, open your web browser and visit the main WordPress site. Once you have reached the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking this button will take you to the login page where you are prompted to authenticate your credentials. After clicking the login option, you will see an option to sign in using your Google account. Select the option that reads Continue with Google. You will then be asked to choose which of your Google accounts you prefer to use for this purpose. Once you have made your selection, the authentication process will carry you forward into your WordPress dashboard. With your account now active and logged in, locate the quick links section on your dashboard. Within this area you will see an option labelled Edit Site. Click on this Edit Site option to launch the site editor. This editor provides you with a visual environment that makes it easy to manage and update your website's content and layout. When the site editor loads, you will be presented with a screen displaying all of your website's pages. Select your website by clicking on it so that you can start editing its design and features. In this editing mode, you will notice the editing toolbar, which is packed with functionality to help modify layouts and add new elements. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the editor where you will find a plus icon. Click this plus icon to open a panel that allows you to add various elements to your site. In the search area that appears, type in the term sidebar. As you type, suggestions will filter down, making it easier to locate the exact component you need. Once you have found the sidebar element in the search results, click on it to add it to your website. The sidebar element will now be included in your page layout. To ensure that the sidebar sits on the right side of your design, simply click and drag the sidebar area towards the desired right-hand position. This adjustment allows the sidebar to seamlessly integrate with the rest of your web page while staying true to the layout you envisioned. After positioning the sidebar successfully, take a moment to review the changes. If everything appears to be arranged as you intended, look to the top right corner of your editing screen for the Save button. Clicking Save will ensure that all modifications are securely stored, and your updated website layout will now include a right-hand sidebar for your visitors to enjoy. This step-by-step process is straightforward and designed to help you enhance the structure of your website with minimal effort while taking advantage of the intuitive interface provided by the WordPress 2025 theme. By following these instructions exactly as outlined, you can quickly and efficiently add a right sidebar to improve navigation and balance the overall design of your site. Enjoy your new layout and the added functionality it brings to your WordPress website.